Welcome to Ngobatenten Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Please make sure that you subscribe. Just click the subscribe button and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button and make sure that you help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Hi, this is Ngobatenten Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Sekhukhune North, my brother. How's it?
Mina, grand, my brother.
Yeah.
Mara, we win today. Mara, I'm not impressed the way we play.
Grand, but I'm also impressed.
I'm quite impressed, my
Why
brother.
are you impressed?
The way we play these days, we used to play. I don't say Mangoba is supposed to play the way Rulani play.
Yeah.
Rulani used to play more than 100 passes on his half.
Yeah.
We're not going to that. Maramangoba coming to the strategy, we're supposed to go to the opponent.
Yeah.
We're supposed to play the opponents, and then we do that. Mara, the only problem that Mangoba do it.
Yeah.
He don't read the player. No, we're coming from beating from what do you call him? Market. He's supposed to put Mkweno on the bench.
Yeah.
Mutao on the bench. Supposed to put Obas in the bench and put those young players and go to play. And the second game, he come and put those guys there.
Yeah.
And they do well.
But at least tonight you have won 3 points with 3 goals. Why don't you celebrate that?
I can't celebrate that.
Why?
I can't.
Yeah, but why?
I can't. Let me tell you, if my coach, Mangoba is my coach, I love him, and I appreciate him the way he did. But if you don't treat the strategy when you do, if you've got the big team like that you've got now, you're supposed to read the team.
Yeah, but you have won. You must celebrate that you have won.
No,
because now if you don't celebrate when you have won, what will happen when you lose?
Let me tell you, one mistake he did, Fanda.
Yeah.
Got the first 11 up. But I put that guy, called you Sellers.
He scored. That's the problem with you supporters. You don't want to appreciate.
He scored.
He has scored. He scored 3 goals.
When you score a penalty, you score score.
Other 2 goals were not penalties.
Goal.
Those 2 goals were not penalties. You must just celebrate that your team has scored 3 goals. But congratulations for tonight. Thank you so much.
I used to
Thank you so much for supporting the team and the channel. Make sure that you subscribe and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much.